A civil society group under the aegis of concerned Abuja residents is demanding the immediate release of the international passports of the leader of the proscribed Islamic movements in Nigeria, Ibrahim el-Zakzaky. This, they maintained, is to enable him and his wife travel out of Nigeria for medical treatment. El-Zakzaky and his wife were recently discharged and acquitted by the Kaduna State High Court on charges bordering on culpable homicide after being in detention for more than 5 years. At a press conference in Abuja, the group applauded the High Court judgment, warning that delay in releasing the travel documents for their treatment may have negative consequences.
The release of the embattled Sheikh and the end of the Free Zakzaky protest will mark a new turning point for Abuja City. Within a short period, Abuja has gained its calm and tranquil atmosphere, and we welcome this breath of fresh air. We urge the federal government under President Muhammad Buhari auspices to release the passport of Shaikh Zakzaky and his wife to enable them to travel to a hospital of their choice. This will sustain the calm and peace which have since their release returned to Abuja.
The concerned Abuja residents further applauded the judgment that set the shared leader free, saying it has helped reduce trends of protests in Abuja and its environs.